Okay, good job.
Good job.
Green cat snake, Boyga Kiani. No, when they're younger.
Nice shot.
Actually,
Wow. Yeah, pretty nice snake. So beautiful. Venomous, different? Yeah. So better than touch. I make it loud jungle secret. Today we go with the herping expert and master, and we are asking for some villager to bring us to the jungle. Now we are start trekking. Oh no. I'm gonna start you the first gear. Whoa. The river is so clean and we are rest here for a while. We'll show you. Nó khi bỏ xuống thì đi mua cho nó có khi ấy thay cái đua kia thì bỏ tiền năn thì nó không
like this kind of area with big rock or not?
bỏ chỗ chân cầu cái thổ từ nè cái thổ bỏ đấy rồi cho phá nên thì đi thổ từ nè last November.
Where did he see it? On the rock or in the plant or where?
Bỏ lên đờ có giấy rồi, bỏ lên đờ cá chua nè. On the rock. So yeah, and then we can smell some snake already, but I don't know at the end.
Okay, he can show us where it was. Okay.
Look at the bamboo; it's very big because they're very far and it doesn't cut for use in family. All my body gets wet, but lucky it's not hit by sunshine. We can go along to the bamboo forest, and the air is so fresh. I should get wet. I cannot wait for we arrive at the camping place for shower to the river. What about you, Peter? Are you okay? Yeah. Whoa. Watch out. And my shoe is not very good for hiking. Actually, it's a tall shoe. Must be very careful, you know.
That's quite dangerous.
Quite dangerous. Ooh, not so easy. Not so easy. Look at that. My friend is very high, almost 2 meters, so not a problem for him. Look at my face. Oh, I get wet, you know. I cannot wait to we are camping and jump to the river. It's so fresh river. It's super clean river. Yeah, because further up there, nobody make the plantation or mining. Yeah, it's super clean, you know? And it should be very cool. I cannot wait to swimming there. From the last episode, I found the fruit. I keep one for my friend to try. I will keep my friend to try this fruit.
What you got for me, bro?
It's a fruit. You open inside and eat the juice inside.
No animal inside, huh?
No. You said. Yesterday I also eat too. I have to eat too. Yeah, eat the juice inside.
This one many times have warm inside.
This is the fruits that they grow on the ground, you know.
It's a fig.
You can see the similar type is that, but this is they grow on the ground.
Really?
On the ground, yeah, not on the ground. Nice, you know.
Wildlife food.
Look at that, in the jungle we should get couple hook and we'll bring you along. I don't know, we have 3% temperature. Yeah, you don't bring any rifle or gun. We don't have. So
You don't bring rice?
no, rifle and
Rifle.
gun.
But rice we bring.
Rice he bring, but no rifle
Only.
and gun. Yeah,
We are
No.
conservationists.
yeah.
Team Anulak.
So forget about the hunting. Maybe some frog. Yeah.
Dog or rat? This also can eat.
Yeah, but not very delicious, not so sweet, and this fruit as always have worm inside, you know.
Blackbird.
Well, this tree is very big, you know.
This is for me nice place for camping.
It's a big mushroom, but we are not recommend you to eat every mushroom, you know. Yeah, have some insect. Very bad smell. Throw away. I have no poison. So in the jungle, please don't eat any mushroom that you never eat, you know. Over here we are nearby the place we want to camping, and
trail.
yeah,
Good for trekking.
good for trekking, and I can feeling like air is very fresh and beside the river. Yeah, I can hear the bird feeling like very big and very old tree. Yeah, very high. It's a wow, very good place for trekking you. And we are walk so far, very tired, but until in this area we are feeling relaxed, you know. Oh, somebody camping over here before. One thing we learned from the villager, they say, oh, further up very near, but we are never believe, you know. Have to walk 1 hour. We have the experience, we will never believe what they say. Maybe for there, yes.
Because we are so slow.
Alright, finally we get reached a good place for camping. Look at that. He cleared the space for us. And yeah, we are camping overnight here
Yeah?
tonight. But it's no place for you tie your hammock.
No problem.
Are you sure?
I can find.
The river in the jungle is just very fresh and cool. Actually, it's very clean, you can drink. But for more safety, you have to use the filter or boil the water, you know. So my friend gonna show me the filter. Yeah.
Crazy system. Okay, now we have to find the tree.
Or just use this one. Okay.
This one is right.
I see.
Can you hold it, bro?
And use the bamboo to boil the water is so good too. Maybe you can try tonight. Oh, it stopped.
It's not stopping.
Yeah, it stopped. Some water. Stop. Filter have some water already. Yeah, later on
This
just
water is
yeah,
100%.
few minutes.
1000% clean.
No
bacteria, no
I see.
parasite, everything
I
filtered.
see.
Better
Yeah.
than Tiger Hat mineral.
Yeah, one day I should try get one and go to the jungle everywhere. Yeah.
Actually, you don't need to put this one. If you have bucket, you put your bottle under.
Yeah, he's the first. Good. It's time for swimming. It's time to enjoy the fresh river. Woo! Nice. It's time to relax. Yeah, it's good. I'm feeling hungry. This morning we have some bread, but all the energy is burned already. perfect. The first come to the camping place, you have to set your camping. Yeah, if you bring along the tent, it's easy, but if not, you have to straight away make the butt scrap and fire before you go hunting or do everything. So now he collect some dry wood to make the fire first. Peter, you don't have tent, so he go to looking for the place for set up the helmet. Actually, it's a very big jungle, but no bear or tiger, so not going to worry. Yeah.
Oh, wrong way. So this one can be like this. It's a bit low. Normally I like to put high. My hammock gonna be really low, but it's okay. So this one has to be the same height, right?
So your hammock was below this one? This is a rule?
This will go down. So we want to check now. This is like this wide, right? If the difference is really big. I think it's okay. Yeah. Just need to see if this rock. My hammock is gonna be low like this. So I have to cut this tree.
This should be no problem.
Normally if you're in the jungle, you should not want to cut too many trees because you love nature. Because the tree take many years to grow.
Yeah, they take too many years ago, and we cut the tree in 1 minute, you know.
Like this is beautiful tree.
In the future, yeah.
It's my heart. Hurt if I cut this one. But I have to. Actually, it's not good. My friend, he don't do this.
Oh.
My French, yeah. He tried to find another place.
Oh, I see.
Actually, you have to love nature. Your karma is get really big. Never make a knot. Always do like this, so it's easy to take out. You should guide bet this one. You can use for 10 years, bro. If you take care. If you take care.
Yeah.
So if the rain, you go home, you have to dry it.
I see.
And clean it sometime.
I see.
For this hammock, we want to sleep like this, right? We want to sleep like this, not like this. So the head is here, the feet is here, and then you really straight, and you sleep like baby.
I see. I hope tonight you will not get wet, you know. It's raining.
You know why? Why do we want to put the hammock really high? Normally I want more high like this, because if I sleep, I'm gonna be here. And the rain, you know already, the rain drop and can touch you.
I see. He will come over here for sleep tonight, and now it's time for...
So now we have a question for the audience. Do you think he will sleep well or not tonight?
Yup. And
1 out of 10. Please leave your comment. If you think no, he's gonna sleep really bad or he's gonna sleep really good, leave your comment, bro.
Yeah. And now it's time for swimming, and the villagers already brought some water. We have some noodle and some fish can for our lunch. Total. Let's eat the noodle first, and tonight we will cook. We better have some frog and barbecue. Yeah, cannot wait.
Wow. Time to eat.
To eat. You can together with us? Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, so bye now.
Look at that.
Stop. Oh, a little bit spicy.
Nice.
Wow.
You make salt with the chili. Wow, which is perfect.
Can do like this. Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah. I finished set up my tent. We are now ready to go to visit the waterfall and come back to rest, and we are save our battery for tonight. Fish can come over here. Very strong water. You should come over here. Hỏi đưa. Yeah. The many people love to eat it and show to YouTube. But yeah, I don't want look like I want to try too, but go with a sea salt, you know. Yeah, but many people they used to eat like steam and go well with sea salt. I saw many, yeah, but no, I don't want. Jungle snail, leave back. Look at the banana there. The banana flower is always see to the sky. That's what I told you. This is a banana flower is always see to the sky. Not very big, but quite okay. But we won't catch. Too small, no? See one more here. It's a jungle frog. I will ask my friend, see whether the name. What is the name? My friend Peter. He found the frog. He's interesting. Maybe some special frog. Later will show you on. Later will show you. We keep for the sample. Just one. There I can see the baby frogs very big. Oh. Very big crab. I want to catch. Oh, very big one. This is my first crab. Yeah, I use barbecue. Nice. Yeah, very big. Females are very big, and but the males are very small. They're making love right now. Oh, what a jungle! My friend, the frog expert, he used a very big camera. Yeah, look at the frog. The male is so small, and the female is so big, you know. 1 kg maybe? No, joking. They are considered very big. Similar. Over here we are start lucky. Maybe not the snake we want, but I like we see some snake. Yeah. So my friend take picture there. Alright, we found a small snake. Later my friend very happy right now. So after he take picture, I will take some video for you to show you. Right, very small one. Okay. Yeah, pretty nice snake. So beautiful.
Very cool snake. No problem.
A big frog we will catch for our breakfast for some protein. Nice. It start have frog. That means we are start have chance for to get the snake. Look at the snake. I don't know not what we want, but unless we already found some snake, you know. They come out the hunting at night. Yeah, it very close right now. But I don't want to catch. I don't have. I don't expert on snake, so I just don't want to catch. At the end, my friend come over. Sorry for the information. My friend said, "What's the name, bro?"
Green cat snake.
Green cat snake and no venom. Ah, I should don't scare. Alright, my friend said this is no venom. But actually in the jungle when you're not sure, please don't touch. But please not kill the snake. Look at that, my friend is so expert.
No, it's not.
But better than me, so he know that no venom. Don't do like this if you're not sure that's venom or not. Don't kill them. Wow, beautiful. Wow, so good, bro. You.
Actually, the other guy.
The other guy, yeah, better.
No, if I do like this, I'm the same like them. You have to be very calm, you see? Don't make them go by themselves.
Don't tie, right? Just
yeah. Support their body. What I do before with the tail, of course, is not good. Familiar. You should become friend with the jungle, bro.
Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
No.
Nice.
Wow. Bro.
Wow, good.
Be kind, please. Be kind, please.
Don't worry, bro. No venom. No, make him support. Make him support. Okay, good job.
Good job.
Green cat snake, Boyga Kiani. No, when they're younger,
nice shot.
actually, they can be really green. This one is starting to get yellow. Maybe when they get older, they lost green a bit.
Okay, V.
Okay, let it go.
Really? Let them go.
Let it go where you found it.
Okay. Perfect.
Actually, I'm really happy to see Hmong guy handling snake and not killing snake. Group, house centipede.
House centipede. Was so many legs and so long. The legs very, very long.
Venomous. This one also stay in the cave.
Venomous?
In the rocky, big rock.
Venomous, even?
Yeah.
So better don't touch. In the jungle, always remember if you're not sure, don't touch. Yeah. For who not expert like me, you know. Oh, spider catch spider, you know.
Really?
One big spider catch one big spider too. It's two spider.
I will try to push them your way.
Here the villager he just very simple sleep like this. If now raining should be no problem. So my tent is there. My friend the hammock is behind me. Yeah, very far from there. So he are prepared to sleep too. Good morning. Yeah, barbecue time right now. We want to barbecue some frog and crab too. Yeah. I put a little bit salt and barbecue. Nice. Look at the crab. Perfect, beautiful. One bigger and keep it small and small. The frog. Looking really good. Yeah. And the other crab. Yeah, look at the crab.
Oh.
Yeah. How the crab?
Not eat yet. First have to access the meat.
I think it should be good.